Hey lovelies, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Deedee, and in today's video we are going to be looking at how to prepare a turmeric skin lightening cream at home. Okay guys, please stay tuned.
Girl, you so wet like summer, and I don't wonder what my lover. You give me feels that you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you so wet like summer.
So lovelies, welcome to my table. This is my aloe vera plant. We need the natural gel, my vitamin E capsule, my turmeric, which we need the powder, and it's been grated. Okay, grinded. It's been grinded into the powder, and we need to extract the gel from this aloe vera plant. You can remember my last video, I showed you guys how to extract the gel from an aloe vera plant. So I just cut it into two parts so we could work on it. And I'm doing the exact same thing I did in the other video, like taking off the upper part, then scraping the gel, the slimy gel, into our mixing bowl, then blending it. You can remember in our last video right here, that's what we did. So the aloe vera gel has been blended, and it's so slimy. I kind of added some parts of that leaf so it could have this green coloring. I didn't add any food coloring. I didn't add any green food coloring. So to make this kind of cream, we need a pure petroleum jelly, which is our blue seal Vaseline here, and we're gonna add as many as we need. So this slimy aloe vera gel here is kind of not accepting the petroleum jelly, so you have to add a much quantity, much more than the aloe vera gel in the mixing bowl, and mix till it's well mixed. Yeah, I'm still going to add it again. Still going to add the pure petroleum jelly again and mix. This is what it looks like. It refuses to accept it, so we're going to add and add and add. So lovelies, my aloe vera gel has been properly mixed with the pure petroleum jelly I showed you guys earlier, and now I'm about to add my vitamin E oil, and I need 2 of these capsules so we could get the kind of creamy, kind of oily texture from this skin lightening cream. And that's the first capsule, and the second one is coming right up. You're just imagining how many teaspoons of pure petroleum jelly I used in this mixture. Well, I used up to 6 before I could mix properly, because the aloe vera gel was so slimy and refusing to blend with this petroleum jelly. I don't know why, but that's what I keep on seeing. And yeah, just mix the whole thing, mix it properly, then we're going to add the turmeric powder we grinded earlier. We're going to add it to this mixture to get that yellow color popping out, and to get the skin, not only the yellow color benefits, okay, to get the skin a brighter tone, get your skin popping, and blameless skin, flawless skin. That's what this turmeric powder is saving us. So just stir it, mix it properly so you can't even see the remains of the powder coming out. So stir it and store in a container which you can use anytime you want. Please, this mixture it could be stored for 15 days. It has 2 weeks and a day, so just expect good results within 2 weeks. Okay, it could be stored within 2 weeks. Please, please, please get get a little container so you could make something. Just make something little as this, so you could always finish it on time before it expires. Okay, it can be stored for 15 days. I don't know, you could refrigerate it, but I haven't tried it before. You could refrigerate it. I just store it in a normal room temperature, and voila. And this stuff is kind of like absorbs into the skin so quick. It doesn't show the yellowish color, the turmeric yellow color on your skin. It just absorbs into your skin. Your skin absorbs it. So that's how to make the turmeric skin lightening cream at home. Just don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with friends. Stay safe. Bye.